Clearcom's Eclipse is a highly scalable, programmable, advanced digital matrix intercom platform for enabling non-blocking, bidirectional communication. Let's take a look at the interface cards that make Eclipse so powerful. Our E-FIB is for fiber connectivity for use with all frames. You have both main and backup fiber rings, single duplex LC connections, and is compatible with Eclipse HX configuration software. On the rear of the card, you have two duplex LC terminated fiber optic connections, and each FIB card uses a port per channel. The card can be configured to use between 16 to 192 ports and can support up to 1,024 audio channels, which are allocated by the EHX to the connected matrices. And each E-FIB also includes two single-mode SFB transceivers. The MADI 64 supports up to 64 duplex MADI channels per card, up to 4 cards are supported on the Delta and medium frames, and up to 6 cards on the Omega. Sample frequencies range from 44.1, 48, and 96 kHz, with selectable channel or port quantity of 32, 56, and 64. MADI channels are used for high-capacity matrix linking or audio distribution. The word clock can be derived either from SD, NTSC, or PAL video, along with tri-level HD or an AES word clock. It also includes a removable SFP duplex LC transceiver module. The fiber interface system can distribute the MADI channels over a large venue or stadium to other users or matrix frames. In addition to the fiber connection, BNC coaxial input and output connections are provided. The MADI card also features Vox on all 64 inputs. MADI sources such as third-party audio consoles and routers can assign 4-character labels to the MADI channels and have the intercom panel users see them on their keys automatically. Each MADI 64-channel input has an audio detection circuit that can be used to tally panel keys with incoming audio. In this way, the MADI card acts as a high-density digital 4-wire interface for ease of setup. Next up is the E-Dante. Up to 64 duplex Dante channels per card with simultaneous support for Dante and AES 67 connections. And when partnered with Dante Dominion Manager, the card supports SMPTE 2110-30 and AES 67 connections to and from third-party devices. The 64-channel high-density connection is ideal for local linking up to 64 connections or conferences between adjacent systems using one fiber pair connection. Sample frequencies for 44.1, 48, and 96 kHz, and a selectable channel or port quantity of 16, 32, or 64. Channel labels can be derived from third-party devices. Optional SFB fiber interface for both the primary and secondary network interfaces are available. You also have Vox on all 64 inputs. Network redundancy with primary and secondary NICs. On each card, any number of channels up to 64 can be configured as intelligent trunks. One or more cards can support intelligent linking to other Eclipse HX matrix frames over IP infrastructure. Now for integrations requiring additional ports, we have the MVX A16. This card adds 16 ports of audio and data per card. Up to 15 cards are supported per Eclipse HX card frame, with Delta Light up to 2, Delta up to 4, Medium up to 7, Omega up to 15 cards. Using balanced 4-wire audio and RS422 data interfacing, this card enables up to 16 additional analog audio interface ports. The MVX A16 interface card communicates with Clearcom panels or other analog audio equipment over balanced line level analog audio connection, and includes RS422 serial for control. Each analog connection to the card enables distribution of that audio to any other device within the Eclipse system. Last but not least is the E-IPA interface card. Available in 16, 32, 48, and 64 port cards, you have a max of 3 E-IPA cards in an Eclipse HX Delta, 4 in medium, and a max of 5 in Omega frame. You have SMPTE 2110 and AES 67 connectivity to third-party devices available in bundles of 8 port licenses, AES 67 base connection to V-Series Iris panels, providing an intercom and 2 auxiliary outer channels, along with AES 128 encryption. Also supporting silent suppression on all Agent IC clients. Switch connections to V-Series and V-Series Iris panels, Agent IC mobile app, Station IC, FreeSpeak 2, and LQ series devices. With software-definable port configuration to support multiple IP connections and standards, which support up to 64 IP endpoints, an additional 64 FreeSpeak 2 IP transceivers. Now, this has been an overview of the Eclipse HX interface cards. To learn more and locate your nearby Clearcom representative, visit clearcom.com.